Guys, I'm so excited to make this video because today I'll be talking about VCU resources. So what and all access do you have apart from your tuition, of course, like your classes, etc. So number one, just getting right into it. Number one is James Cabell Library that is inside the VCU campus. So it is, although a public library, you will still have access to it. With your VCU card, you are able to issue books and check out and check in books. And the favorite part of it is that James Cabell Library, usually in the class during the semester hours, it is open till 2 a.m. In the morning, so you are able to sit here and go back to your dorm or whichever your housing is. So yeah, that is one thing. And then second, you have access to gym. So gym have a lot of facilities there. They have swimming pool, they have the aquatic center there, and they have like the machines over there as usual. And then there is the football court. Then there are a lot of locker facilities and then towel facilities. Also, you can, you know, play tennis over there, ball. So it's pretty much lively because there are people going all throughout the day and night. So yeah, you should definitely check it out. What I liked about it was when the in the shower room over there. After coming from the swimming pool, there is this shower gel located inside the washroom that I find like individual washroom. So I found it very much, convenient. I loved it. So moving on to the third thing, there is this. You'll get access to the proper football court that is like spread to a really large space. You will have access to that. And there are two courts. One is for this football, and another is for playing tennis because they have the proper courts over there. So that is nice. And then with your VCU card, you can check in and check out of each and every building, um, except from some of the building which you which you will have restricted access to, which is not open to everyone. That is the thing. And then you will have access to third outdoor rental center. So that is the adventure sports organizing kind of center where you can rent bicycles, the proper gears for bicycles like lighting, the helmets, etc. And you can get rafts from there for various adventure sports in the water, kayaking, yeah, whitewater rafting, all that stuff. So you can get all the gears, the swimming suits, and various kinds of materials from there. And then they organize lots of activities, lots of free events. Also, you have to register for them as a visa student. You get it for free, and they will take you to like different parks. The river parks, and there is also one thing that I like to mention here. They have this program for leadership for leading a set of people for camping and other adventure events. There is one of the events called Backpacking to California, where they literally, I don't know how much how much far they went by flight, and then they started on the road. So that was very interesting one that had cost around $1,000. So that was very interesting to note here, and it is very interesting indeed. Then you will have access to RAM bikes. Number four, so they give free bikes to you for if you are a VC student, and there are lots of facilities like gym where you can which you can still continue as an alumni after graduating. Lots of others as well. I'm not sure about RAM bikes, but it is closed right now. Maybe it is going to start in the next semester. So that's what I'm looking forward to try and test. Then you will have access to number five. You will have access to VCU card shopping, which you can literally use it for payment like a debit card in the VCU RAM store. So that is interesting. And there are a lot of RAM associated restaurants here. Ram bar and kitchen, that is an interesting one. That is open kind of late. Till late it is open, and they have all the swags of VCU. So that is one of the interesting places that I would like to go after. I'm going to switch my like my dorm thing, because my dorm is, it's not like it is open 24 hours, but it is a little bit far from, a little bit like 500 meters from the actual place where all these main attractions like restaurants and other things are there for entertainment. So I would like to say that. And then there is recently I found about it, about Ram Loft. So it is like branded like that, about around VCU, because it is near to the campus. Then you will have access to number 6. Have access to Seagull Center, so where all the basketball events happen, and you can go and it will give you like a proper NBA match experience, not in a big like auditorium, but it is huge. It is huge, and it is free for VC students. Like a lot of games are free, so that is for sure. You should check it out. And then number 7, you will have access to Rams Connect. So that is the place where everything exciting comes up, like related to club events. You should definitely check it out, because it is the place to go. Like to do to find out exciting things to do while you are on campus. Mine was especially, there was like good time pass happened with the Rams Connect, because it was really very boring because of the federal work study kind of setting I was in. So I was not having a part time. So that's what I used to do, meet with other Americans and non-Americans. That is quite interesting, because there are lots and varieties of clubs out there. Like you'll have anime club, then you will have robot making club, and then you will have, let me think about some interesting ones, chess. Yeah, there is one sword fencing that was quite interesting. They like, they'll get up with their clock cosplay. They'll get dressed up and they will play around with the swords. It is not like a proper sword fighting also. That is interesting one to see. They're always in the Mondo Park, sometimes, like occasionally. So yeah, then you will have access to joining the fraternities and fraternities. Those are like the, reputed kind of like high society kind of thing. So you can get into one of them, and make good use of time here. It is like really costly, but if you are up for experiencing something like that, then wish you all the best, and definitely would join one of the good ones. And then naturally, there is a pay center over here, like beside the main buildings. So that is one of the interesting things. They have the free things all throughout the year, all throughout the year. Like you'll have access to, free things in the sense that they organize events like weeknight cooking, that is free to join for. Of course, it is through Rams Connect. So I would say VC students, but I'm not sure whether other people are also allowed to come. So they have pretty interesting things going on, like the knitting workshop. Then they have the meditation thing going on. So, like you can contact the organizers also if you want to connect with something. And then there is the Tuesday lunch thing. So it is good for networking. If you want to like find the true meaning of networking, let me know in the comments, or I'm going to make the video and post the link somewhere around here, and you can find it out, like what is networking and why you should not get too much worried about it. But you have to start early. That's the essence of it, because in order to reap the benefits of networking at the right time, you have to start at the right moment. It is yeah. I'll talk about that later on. So these are the things that I found interesting to me. Yeah, there is one more thing. There is the campus learning center, where you can any student can opt for getting tuitions from tutors. That is one of the interesting things, but it is mainly for like the STEM programs. I think so. There is marketing as well. So yeah, So guys, if you are looking to come to VCU, get pretty much excited. A lot of things to explore, especially if you have a proper schedule. I didn't have like I had only like evening classes, so it was not that much. It was kind of very chill for me, and I was I was so much bored to a point because I finished my MBA and then landed and was suddenly having nothing to do. So that was like a pretty much shock thing for me. But yeah, so it depends completely on you, your work stamina and what you like to do. So yeah, I should check it out. And if I remember something else, I'll be sure to make another video. And then thanks for staying till the end. Bye bye.